Hardrock received a call from a auger drilling contractor. They'd run into a situation where they'd encountered some pretty hard rock, and the contractor had gotten 8 to 10 inches into the face of rock. They told us that they'd spent 2 days getting to that point. To get the job done, we drilled a 6-inch pilot hole with the ROCKWYRM HDD60 covering 120 feet in 2 days of drill time. Hardrock used a custom-built roller cone reamer, each pass enlarging the hole until 24 inches was reached. Drill time on that project was 9 days. Our commitment to quality and innovation drives us to produce the best HDD rock hammers on the market. The ROCKWYRM air hammer system is a testament to that commitment. At Hardrock, we're not just providing tools, we're partnering with you to ensure success. From start to finish, we're committed to service and excellence.
Don't stop when you hit rock.